Hello! Welcome back to Math with Miss Flora. I don't remember if that's what I've been calling it, but that's what we're calling it today. So your review today is going to be order of operations. So we've learned this recently, and I'm just going to talk through really quickly how it works for reminders and how to do each part. So remember, now that we know what the order of operations is, we don't always just solve problems from left to right like we're reading them. Each step we have to determine what is my next step here, and we figure that out using this list right here. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, notice they're in the same lines, they are of equal importance. So if you have both, you solve from left to right. Addition or subtraction from left to right. So each new step we follow this order. So I'm going to go over reminders in just a minute, and I realize I forgot one. I'm going to add that in when we talk about it. So we're going to look at this problem first. So if we're using order of operations, I don't have parentheses, I don't have exponents, I do have multiplication. So I'm going to do that before addition. So we're only allowed to have one V per line, only one piece each time. So we solve one, copy the rest. So this is the one I'm solving, which is 24, and I'm going to copy whatever else I didn't use already. So, and then I have only one left, so that was a pretty easy one. Now, this next one has two operations within parentheses, and so I do start here, parentheses, but when I have two on the inside, I still go back and follow the order of operations within it. So I have subtraction and addition, so I'm going to do whichever. Dang. Okay, I'm back. I had a visitor, and now I don't remember where it was, but I think I'm going to pick up right here. I think we were saying that subtraction comes before addition because both of them are of equal importance, and we go left to right. So since we have both, I'm going to solve this one first. So 12 minus 10 is 2. And then I copy everything else, so plus 4, and I keep parentheses because I had two operations, so I have to keep my parentheses. And then 26 minus is out in front. Now I go back to my checklist, parentheses first. I do have them, so 2 plus 4 is 6. Copy what's left, and then, whoa. Sorry about that. It's 20. Notice I don't put any equal signs or anything. I just solve it straight down until I get to a point. It helps me to not skip steps so I don't make mistakes when things get harder. Couple reminders. When you have a number right next to parentheses with no symbol at all, that means multiply. So we always just add in, that's what we're familiar with that symbol, which is an X. So we add that in so that we remember, don't forget that this means multiply. When we have things of equal importance, you do the first one first from left to right. So if you have two sets of parentheses, you solve the one on the left first. If there are two operations in parentheses, you still follow the order and bring it down like I did here. So you keep the parentheses only when you have more than one operation on the inside, though. You don't have to do that every time. And then my last one that I said that I forgot, I still don't remember what it was. So when I remember it, I'll let you know in person. See you next time.